Five books I highly recommend you should read as an aspiring entrepreneur that's looking for methods, tactics, ways, and means on how to step up into a leadership role, to put things into more perspective and practicality, to have a enormous impact for your community that you are trying to reach and serve. Number one, Maximum Achievement by Brian Tracy. Number two, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. Number three, Jab 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 Right Hook by Gary Vaynerchuk. Number four, Developing the Leader Within, John C. Maxwell. That's a good read. And last but not least, this book transformed everything for me. Changing your thinking changes your life. Change your thinking, change your life. Brian Tracy. These five books will have a drastic impact and effect on your business results and on your life and mindset principles. So definitely read those five books.